Every year, millions of people skip one of the most effective vaccines simply because of misinformation. The HPV vaccine, a shot designed to prevent certain types of cancers, has been surrounded by fear, myths, and confusion. But what if avoiding it could actually put your health at serious risk? From rumors that it causes infertility to claims that it's unnecessary for men, misinformation about the HPV vaccine spreads faster than the virus itself. Today, we're cutting through the noise to uncover what's real and what's dangerously false. Human papillomavirus, or HPV, is one of the most common sexually transmitted infections in the world, and certain strains can lead to cervical, throat, and even penile cancers. Yet many people still hesitate to get vaccinated because of viral myths. Let's get this straight. The HPV vaccine doesn't affect fertility, doesn't contain harmful toxins, and it's not just for women. It's been studied for over 15 years with overwhelming evidence proving its safety and effectiveness. Countries with strong HPV vaccination programs have seen a dramatic drop in HPV-related cancers. The real danger isn't the vaccine, it's believing the myths that stop you from getting it. Don't let misinformation make your health decisions. Talk to your doctor, check the facts, and protect yourself, because prevention is always better than regret.